All right, so we're moving on to chapter 16, which is all about business organizations. So this gets a little bit technical, but if you stay with the chapter, I don't think that you're going to have any trouble. 16.1 is the introduction, and it talks just a little bit about why a lawyer or somebody in a law office would need to know about business organizations. Oftentimes, clients will come because they're starting a business and they need to figure out how to structure that business, and there are different ways that you can do that. A business organization itself is a separate entity from the person who is the owner of the business. So you could be a person who runs a business all by themselves. You don't have any employees, it's just you, but you could have you yourself personally. Who is the owner of the business, but then also the entity itself, which is completely separate from you. It does a couple of things for you. One, it may help you with your tax liability as it relates to how much tax you're going to have to pay. It could also separate you from the business if your business were to get into either financial or legal trouble, that it could protect you from having that personally affect you. It would then only affect the business. So I want you to think of a business in that way as kind of the human being is an entity, but the business itself is a completely separate entity that is distinct from the actual owner.